What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to test SuperClean products, but I really think these products are really awesome and they make the cleaning a lot easier. They make your life a lot easier when you want to clean things. My absolute favorite for household cleaning is the foaming action for tough stains, and for cars this is the wheel cleaner. It's really good for cleaning wheels and tires, and this is kind of like do it all. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. You can mix it and it depends on the application. There's a chart on the website that tells you for which application, with the ratio between water and SuperClean. Let's say for leather it's like 4:1. For automotive, let's say parts and stuff like that, it's full strength and stuff like that. You can look it up on the website, or you can use common sense to mix this product with water and use it. And this one is it's just basically this in a spray can, so it's less messy and it's easier to use. So let's get this video started and let's test SuperClean out. Alright guys, so we have this stove right here. It's really old, it's dirty, and it definitely has seen better days. So I want to try SuperClean to soak this up. This has been dirty for years, so we want to soak this up and try and clean it up as much as we can, and we're gonna see how SuperClean does. And let's get to it. Okay, so I'm gonna use the foaming action for this one. I think it's the strongest, so I'm gonna use it because this is really tough to clean. And I'm gonna use this brush. First I'm gonna soak it, spray it, soak it, and then I'm gonna scrub it as much as I can, and we'll see how easy this thing comes off. So let's get started. Look, already if you can see, the stain started to come out. The cleaner is discoloring with the dirty stuff that were on the stove. So okay, that's enough. I don't want to give it too much time, so I'm gonna start scrubbing right now. I mean, look at it, right from the beginning. Look, it is coming off right away. That's amazing. Okay, look at all the stuff that came off from the first scrub. It took me really less than 30 seconds to get all this off. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna give it another go. Oh well, this is a lot cleaner. This is a lot cleaner than it used to be. If I want to go on it again, I can. It's gonna be even cleaner than that. I still have few stains here and there, but for video purposes, it's just to demonstrate how good this product is. And it literally, I may edit this section, but it really took me less than a minute to get it to this stage. So if I can spend another 2 minutes on it, it's gonna be freaking shiny as hell. I will finish cleaning this and then I will show you the final results. Alright guys, so check this out. You can actually see through the thing right now. Years and years of cooking are gone in minutes. Okay guys, so this is the wheel that I'm gonna clean. It is not so dirty. It's okay for being a wheel, being on the road all the time. So I'm gonna spray it down with the wheel cleaner right here, and I am going to, oh, this is not the wheel cleaner. Okay, I'm gonna spray it down with the wheel cleaner, and then I'm gonna scrub it with the same brush, and then we're gonna see how much better it gets. Okay, here's the wheel cleaner now. Twist it to open. Oh, it's foamy too. That's pretty nice. Okay, now I'm gonna brush it. Okay, it took a lot of dirt off. I really thought this wheel was clean, but I guess it wasn't, so I'm gonna rinse it now. Okay, so this is how it looks afterwards. It's really nice and clean now. I mean, this is really a big difference. It's already a, a bad looking wheel, but I'm gonna put a before and an after here on the screen. I thought this was a clean wheel, but it turned out to be a very dirty wheel, and this thing took dirt off like it was nothing. And again, less than a minute per wheel. If you can clean all your wheels in 4 minutes, that would be freaking awesome, and this product makes it possible. So yeah, this is my applications for SuperClean, and I think it got a big pass, and I appreciate you watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you have any ideas or concerns or questions, and I will catch you guys in the next one.